A very good morning 6-4. Please take out Maths Practice Paper 2B. This week, we are going through question 5 and question 13. Let's take a look at question 5. In this question, we must find the least number of points that John must obtain in round 5 in order to win the maths challenge. This bar graph shows the number of points that Alex and John has obtained in round 1, 2, 3 and 4. Looking at the graph carefully, each space represents 1. So this represents 22 and this will be 18. The points for round 2, 3 and 4 are indicated on the graph as shown. To find out the least number of points that John must obtain, we must first find the total points for Alex after the 5 rounds. And the total points for Alex after 5 rounds is 22 plus 14 plus 19 plus 15 plus 24. After 5 rounds, Alex got a total of 94 points. And for John to win the maths challenge, he must score more than Alex. This means that John must score more than 94. So, John must score at least 95 points for the 5 rounds to win Alex. From the bar graph, we can find the total number of points that John has got after 4 rounds. John has scored a total of 78 points after 4 rounds. To find the least number of points that John must obtain in round 5, we find the difference between 95 and 78. So, John must score at least 70 points in round 5 to win the maths challenge. Let's go on to the next question, question 13. To solve this question, we are going to draw models. We are going to draw a model for the amount spent and the amount that's left. Let's first focus on the models for the amount spent. Nelly spent twice as much as Prisha. This means that if Prisha spent 1 unit, Nelly will spend 2 units. Now let's take a look at the model for amount left. The amount Prisha had left was $7 more than what she had spent. So what can I draw for Prisha here? Prisha has 1 unit and $7 left. And we know that the amount Prisha had left was twice as much money as the amount Nelly had left. So Nelly will have half of this. This means half of 1U, which is 0.5U, and half of 7, which is 3.5. For this question, you want to find out how much did Prisha spend. The amount that Prisha spent is actually 1 unit. Look at the models here. What is missing? We have not included the total sum of $78. $78 is the sum of the amount spent and the amount left. In this model, we have a total of 4.5 units. 1, 2, 3, 3.5, 4.5 U. Is the 4.5 unit equal to 78? The answer is no. We have an extra 3.5 and 7 here. In order to find the value of 4.5U, we need to take away 3.5 and 7 from 78. That will give us 67.5. So, 4.5U equal to 67.5 and 1U is equal to 15. So, Prisha spent $15. For part B of the question, we are supposed to find out how much money did Nelly have at first. To find out the amount of money that Nelly had at first, we need to add up the amount that she had spent and the amount she had left, which is this. 2U plus 0.5U plus 3.5. Since we know 1U equal to 15, we can go on to find out how much did Nelly have at first, which is $41. We have learned another 2-word problem this week. Yay! That's all I have for you now. Thanks, bye.